Alright, here I have a 2026 Honda Accord with the 1.5 liter engine, and I'm going to show all the oil change info. It is an SE, so it takes 0-W20, 3.7 quarts. The drain plug is a 17 millimeter. The drain plug torque is 30 foot-pounds with the new crush washer. And then down here I provided the OEM oil filter number and a OEM crush washer. And then the rest of the video is just me showing where everything's at. So here at the top you got your oil cap, and then down here you got your dipstick with the orange little handle. And then down here you got a cover. The red ones are Phillips head, and then the blue ones are flat blade, and they're just half turns. And then down once you take off the cover, here's your drain plug and your oil filter. And then, like I said, this is the drain plug gasket, the crush washer, that's the part number. And then this is the OEM filter, that's the part number. And then to reset your oil life, you're going to turn on your ignition with the engine off. And you're going to use this scroll button here on the right side of the steering wheel. Like this, you're just going to scroll down. So keep scrolling down to settings, and then you click that same button, and then you go down to maintenance. Click that, go down, and I usually just do all do items, and then that's it. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I can try to help you out.